Fruits that start with N. It is weird how there are so many fruits across the world that most of us haven't tasted yet. Let us know if your country has any of these N-starting fruits. Keep reading. Nectarines. Ever seen a peach with a smoother outer skin? Well, that's nectarines. Not only the physical appearance, but nectarines also taste like peaches too, with a hint of extra sweetness. However, it does not have a fuzz like peaches. Nopales. Nopales is a food item that belongs to both the families, vegetables and fruits. They come from cacti and they are edible. You can make them by removing the thorns and cooking them to a point where they are tender and juicy. They make a great food item in tacos or salads. Naranja. Similar to orange, Naranja is a much sweeter and juicier form of orange. Orange is known as a Naranja in Spanish. However, it has the same taste and color as an orange. It is consumed raw as well as in the form of juices. Nanda Plum. Nanda Plum is a beautiful colored fruit whose color varies from a yellow-orange to a purple shade. They have an oval-shaped hard outer skin. However, some people do not find their taste appealing, while some find them tasty. Newtown Pippin apple. There are several different varieties of apples. One such as a Newtown Pippin apple. It is greenish-yellow in color, are great for eating raw or using to cook for a hard cider. Nance Fruit. Are commonly known as hog berries. They have a similar physical appearance to those of cherries. They have vitamin C, are high in fiber, and are low in calories. It is also believed to improve one's immune system, according to different studies. Nashi Pear. About their physical appearance, they have a light, sandy brown color with darker spots around them. They are round like the shape of apples. They have a high mineral and vitamin. People like to consume them raw. Northern Spy Apple. These are known as winter apples. They are round and large like usual apples with a layer of multicolored skin having red, yellow, and green stripes. People usually cook it to make cider. Nagami Kumquat. Nagami Kumquat is bright orange in color with a hint of tanginess to its flesh. People usually consume it raw because the skin of Nagami Kumquat is sweet. Nuts. Most of the nuts belong to the fruit family, except for peanuts. All other nuts are fruits. This includes hazelnuts, chestnuts, acorns, cashews, etc. Navel Orange. Have a unique appearance. They are round in shape and orange in color, having a small spot on the bottom that looks similar to a human navel. These oranges are seedless, easy to peel, and extremely juicy. Neem. Neem mostly grows in India. The neem plant grows fruit which is usually used as a vegetable in the cooking process. Moreover, neem also has different health benefits too. It is used in medicine as well as in the form of insect controllers. Follow us for more.